Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and as you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm gonna be using Nature's Little Secret to style this braid out. Yeah, this is a braid out. I know y'all know I love to do little wash and goes, but I throw a little curveball in there, and once again, spoiler alert, this is what it looks like. But keep watching to see how I get here, okay? Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm all at the shower and everything. I had my plastic cap over my leave-in conditioner. I just took that off. So now we're gonna go in with this flaxseed curly custard. I'm gonna be honest with you. My wash day so far has been amazing, right? I don't for a wash and go, I'm already judging this. I don't think that it's gonna give me what I'm looking for. I really don't. Cause y'all know I love me a good stronghold crunchy gel, okay? And I just feel like this is gonna give me like moisture. Not saying that moisture is a bad thing. I feel like it's just gonna give straight moisture and no hold. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm prejudging it. I know, and I haven't even opened it or anything yet. Can you smell it? It smells like cocoa butter. But is this opened? No, it's open now. Oh, okay, that's cool. All right, so I hope that did not get over my lens. Okay. I just want to say my hair feels heavenly. Okay, it's so soft. It's just, yeah. But now, I don't know, y'all. Let's pump this thing out. Oh, baby. I just know it's not gonna give. All right. Yeah. The definition is trying to come through, but I know, Chad, this ain't finna do nothing for no whole child. This would be great paired with some wet line though. I mean, it's no. The definition is there, it's coming, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not gonna do nothing for hold. So for a wash and go, for me and my hair type, we not about to play ourselves. So let's do a braid out. A nice chunky braid out, okay? All right. Cause what we not gonna do is what? Play ourselves in 2022. I mean, y'all, it's really like, you know, doing what I gotta do when it comes to the definition. I'm not gonna even sit here in front, but I'm not trying to, it's not gonna give no hold. And y'all, I'm really not here for products that don't give hold, okay? This feels like a mousse. So this will be, oh my god, this would be so bomb for like a perm rod set or flexi rod set for sure. And this would be amazing, honestly. I feel like paired with wet line. I really do. But we not about to play ourselves with a wash and go. So let's do a braid out, y'all. And I'm not doing too many sections. So let's go ahead and braid this up. I'll be honest with you, I may have put too much product on my hair, but it's okay. I'm gonna braid as far down as possible, and then we're gonna twist the ends. All right. So to be honest with you, that's a lot of product, and yeah, no. Hold on, let me just squeeze off some of that, cause I put way too much on there. Cause I really thought I was gonna do a wash and go. So, all right. So I just squeezed off the excess. And yeah, girl, we're gonna do a braid out. We're gonna do a braid out. About that much. Probably way too much, but it's okay. We already pumped it out. Y'all, like the definition, it's like really and truly defining my hair. Like, y'all see that? But y'all, I just know it's not gonna hold, and I'm really not about to play myself, you know. Yeah, no, we're not about to do that. Look at that. Beautiful definition. It's just, it's not weighing my hair down or anything. The things that I look for in a washing gown. You feel me? Let me just go ahead and smooth that out, because, you know, I didn't smooth out that last section, but it's okay. Yeah, no, the definition is popping, bro. Girl, this is gonna give. It's gonna give. All right, let me go ahead and finish the other side of my head off camera. So I have basically 2, 4, 5. I got 10. I'm gonna have 10 braids in my hair total. So let me just go ahead and finish this side off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, so the braids are all done, and I am super happy with them. They look so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and sit under my dryer, and then I will come back tomorrow morning to unravel them. Okay, so here we are the next morning. I am showing you, I believe that there is like some residue up there. Yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and oil our fingertips with some melanin hair care oil. I'm not putting the oil like all of my hair, or just my fingertips, just so I get a little good grip on them or whatever. Huh? And I'm just gonna unravel them. And yo, I used to like literally take my time when I'm unraveling my braids for my braid outs, and now I literally just rip them up. Like, well, not rip them up like, tear my hair up, but like I just hold it and I pull it, and they like that. Like that. Yeah, I don't be going. Anybody got time for that? Ugh. Cause for me, I just feel like once my style is set, it's set, bro. Like it ain't going nowhere. Relax. It's okay. You can unravel it. Just it's okay. Anyways, y'all know I don't do nothing with my hair without stretching it. Like I have to stretch my hair, no matter the style. So I'm not about to rock no style like that. You can you can separate it if you want to, and then just like rock that. But I love the stretched look, so that's what I'm doing. I'm stretching my hair. And I don't think I have anything else to say right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and be quiet and let y'all watch me stretch my hair. Oh, I did want to add that I am separating my hair a little, like the smallest amount, before I go in and stretch it. So I'm not doing too much fluffing and separating, just a little bit, and then I go in and stretch it. And I like to hold my hair down, like to my face like that, or to my scalp, to let my hair cool down in that position so it's not like sticking up all over the place when I'm done stretching it out. So, yeah, continue watching. Okay, so here we are. The braid out is done. I'm done stretching my hair and everything. And honestly, it's a vibe. I really like it. It doesn't really have any hold, but it's nice, soft, and fluffy. So if you love that kind of product, you're gonna love this. Personally, for me, I don't do a lot of set styles. I don't do a lot of twist styles and braid outs. I live for a good wash and go, and for me, it didn't work for a wash and go, at least by itself. I'm definitely gonna use it for a wash and go, but I'm gonna pair it with my baby daddy wet line, okay? But again, I probably wouldn't repurchase it, only because, again, I don't do set styles. But if you are somebody who loves braid outs, love twist outs, love rod sets, this, mwah, I promise y'all. Like, look at my braid out. Look at my braid out. Like, this is so cute, okay? I do have, let me see if we get up close. Low focus. I do have some residue up in the front here, a little flaking when I was taking it down. That's probably because I did use a little bit much more than I probably should have used, so that's probably my bad. But honestly, other than that, I really do think that it's a good product, and I think it's a great, not dupe, what do you call that word, like a substitute for, like, if you're a person who doesn't like to use mousse. This would definitely work. So I don't hate the product. I actually really like it, just not for what I usually do with my hair. But I recommend it 100% if you're somebody who loves set styles. So yeah, I'm really feeling this braid out, and again, I don't really do these, you know what I'm saying, but y'all can't tell me that it's not cute, because it is, okay? It's giving. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel out a lot, more than you know. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.